Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Nayapay verification problem in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First off, what you can do is you can check if your app is up to date. Now simply go to your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Nayapay, and you want to make sure that Nayapay is up to date. If it says update on your end, just simply tap it and then relaunch the app. But if it still doesn't work, what you can do is you can go to your settings. From here, you want to go to apps, then look for Nayapay. From here, you can do several things. First, you can force stop the app, then relaunch it. Or if it still doesn't work, you can go to storage, then clear both data and cache at the bottom. Now, if it still doesn't work, you can also try to uninstall the app and reinstall it. Additionally, a pop-up to contact their customer support will also appear to provide you with further assistance. Here's the message and the numbers you can dial. And that's it. Now you know how to fix NIPay verification problem in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.